PBS Kids!
Sorry. It's just so exciting to talk about PBS Kids' brand new show, Let's Go Luna.
Anyone home?
And this show has everything. World travels, dancing moons, adventures with friends. Did we mention dancing moons? Grab a front row seat for Let's Go Luna, a new show starting Wednesday, November 21st at 5, 4 Central on PBS Kids and on the PBS Kids video app.
Calling all families, it's a meaty,
Sausage Cyclone!
huggy Wordgirl Marathon.
Let's get down to business.
PBS Kids Family Night presents an extra special Wordgirl Marathon. Friday night at 6, 5 Central on PBS Kids.
Pinkalicious and Peteriffic is made possible in part by...
At Homer, we know kids have passions that spark excitement and an eagerness to learn. Homer creates personalized learning.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for southern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:23 a.m. Central Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located 11 miles south of Murfreesboro, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar-confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Murfreesboro around 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Woodbury around 12:55 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Las Casas.
We wanna get to know ya and all the things you do. It's time to shine a light on little you. This PBS Kids Spotlight, DW from Arthur.
Don't I look adorable?
Arthur and his friends are always coming up with new adventures. But when little sister DW is around,
This is about me, remember?
Mommy!
the adventures
Matthew!
take on a life of their own.
Thank you so much for blowing that whistle.
DW is brave.
The ring!
Atta girl, DW.
Smart.
What's a career I can succeed in, say, by my next birthday? I don't want to spend the rest of my life sitting here watching the Tibbles eat paper paste. I didn't eat any paste.
And she always keeps Big Brother Arthur on his toes.
I win! Did not, it was a tie!
DW,
You can count on me.
the little sister with a big imagination.
I hereby W, Princess of Safety.
And the focus of this PBS Kids Spotlight. It's time to shine a light on little you. Get ready for Let's Go Luna, a brand new show from PBS Kids.
This theater is wonderful.
Look, Carmen, there's a ballet going on. Shh. Sorry.
This is so amazing, Luna. I just listened to that Russian music. Luna, what's wrong?
It's happening again, Carmen. You know what happens when I hear music? I gotta dance!
Wow.
Let's Go Luna, a new show coming this fall to PBS Kids and on the PBS Kids video app.
Apples. They've been growing all summer. Now they're big, ripe, and sweet to eat.
And the corn looks ready for picking.
Voila! Gourds!
There's a whole bunch at the top.
Ready, Jet, Go is made possible in part by...
When children are prepared for success in school, there's no limit to what they can achieve. ABCmouse.com Early Learning Academy. Proud sponsor of PBS Kids and Ready, Jet, Go.
With the right foundation and encouragement, curious young minds can get smarter and smarter every day. Kumon is proud to support Ready, Jet, Go for all the preschoolers who love to learn.
The Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you. Excelsior!